Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can virtually get free money, basically through Navy Federal Business PPP Stimulus Loan Forgiveness up to $150,000. Now, if you are new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are on your credit journey. Also, teaching you how to use and leverage lines of credit to make income. And with this video, you guys, I bought you some information last year, those that were subscribing to my channel, and a lot of you who are part of my Facebook group. I talked heavily before this pandemic started about starting your own business, doing something, door dashing, gig working, either driving, Lyft and Uber. And a lot of you guys did take my advice on that. So when the CARES Act rolled out, the PPP loans, and some of you guys with the EDIL loan who took advantage of that, you were able to get those loans. I did a video last year on how I received the PPP loan within 3 days from Navy Federal. And so I gave you guys some steps on how to do that. And many of you out there did receive the PPP loan through other banking institutions. So you do qualify for this same forgiveness also. So stay tuned into the video, and I'm going to show you, if you're a member of Navy Fed, on how you can get that loan forgiven and what's the steps that you have to go through in order to do that. Now, with Navy Federal for the PPP loan, you will go here into services, and then you will go into business solutions. So from that point, when you go into under services and business solutions, you will have to go through their digital portal in order to apply for the loan forgiveness. Now it goes all the way up to $150,000. It depends on how much you received from the PPP loan at the time, and that is the Paycheck Protection Program. Now, the Paycheck Protection Program was eligible to you guys who received it doing gig work, and you might have got it through another institution. So I'm going to show you also, even though if you did not get it through Navy Fed, just some details, and I will put a link in the description to the Small Business Administration, where you could possibly just go there, read the details for the forgiveness, and you yourself can apply for this forgiveness and virtually really get free money. So with the Small Business Administration Paycheck Protection Program, PPP, ended on May 31st, 2021, members who have the PPP loan may be eligible for forgiveness. If you receive your loan through Navy Federal, you must apply through our digital portal. You can apply directly through the SBA, the details in the application process below. Now, if you are a person that got it through another banking institution, you can still apply through the SBA. But if you are a person like myself who went through Navy Federal and used this institution to get your PPP loan, this is the portal that you will use, and I'm going to show you the steps. But you can still go through these steps and you can get this forgiveness if you had another institution, but you would not use this here at Navy Federal. You would go directly to the SBA. Now, I will leave that link in the comment section and the description of the video with the layout for that forgiveness. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what it will be, the process through here through Navy Federal. So what you will do Once you click that link, it will bring you to the welcome to the digital banking. You, with the Navy Federal members, you will have to put in your business because you should have had 2 accounts. For you to get the PPP loan, you would have had to have a business account. So with Navy Federal, you already know this is a institution that if you are a part of it, you had to be a member and have a personal business account. I mean, a personal account. But for the PPP loan, you had to establish a business account. So for those with Navy Federal, you got 2 accounts, okay? You want to make sure you're logging in here with your business account information, okay? Not your personal account information to get to the forgiveness, all right? So that is going to be very important. Next, it will bring you, once you log in, to this screen, all right? And so this will be the application. It will have your business name and your business details here, right? So it will tell you the type of business, the business name, the type of business corporation, or the type of corporation. So if you're sole proprietorship, LLC, S Corp, that information will be in this line, and the type of business and the address of the business. All that details will be here. And then it will give you the application, and you will follow the instructions to get the PPP loan. Now, I mean, to apply for the PPP loan forgiveness, you will apply with this business. Now, if you have other businesses, you would choose the business that you got the forgiveness with, okay? Or that you got the loan with, that you want to apply for forgiveness. Now, here's some details. Now, and it will let you know here, in order for you to be eligible, you guys, pay attention to this part, at least 60% of the PPP loan must be spent on eligible payroll costs, and up to 40% can be spent on eligible non-payroll costs. So when you are going through your application and you're applying for that, your figures, when you, for your particular business, this is very important. You got to keep this in mind. For you to be eligible, at least 60% of your PPP loan must be spent on eligible payroll. That's also for you guys who will go through the SBA for your forgiveness if you got it through another financial institution, and up to 40% can be spent on non-eligible payroll. If you don't fit into those parameters, you don't fit into the category of forgiveness. So just a tidbit for you guys to keep in mind. Now, this is the screen that you would go to next. Now, me, myself personally, I already put in an application for my my forgiveness for my loan. And I had the first draw and the second draw. It was 2 loan forgiveness programs that I was eligible for, because I got the first PPP loan forgiveness, and I'm not forgiveness, but the first PPP loan and the second PPP loan draw. Now, one of them I did get forgiven, and this is the second. So if you have more than one, you are eligible for both of those, but it depends on the time frame that you have to do that process within the 10 months that you received that loan. So you that are Navy Federal, people who got their loans through Navy Federal, you're gonna go through the next steps, and it's gonna take you through the loan forgiveness application process, and it will have your business details. Now, all of this will not be the same as mine, because it depends on the type of business and what you already entered in for this loan. So it will give you prompts for your business and sort of what the paperwork that you have already entered in, and your questions need to be matching the information you already applied for with that loan. So keep that in mind, you guys. But here's the steps through Navy Federal and how you would get to that application for your PPP forgiveness loan. Okay. Now, this will go up to 150,000 depending on how much you were given. Okay, you guys. So hopefully you guys will qualify for that. I gave you some details on the breakdowns of the numbers in order for you to qualify for this loan forgiveness. So make sure that your information matches with your particular business, but it needs to make the numbers that we just discussed for you to be eligible. So please, if you qualify for this, make sure you come back to this video and put in your yes or no. Did you get the forgiveness for the PPP loan via through Navy Fed or any other institution that you chosen? Now, if you want to reach me or contact me, do so via my website. We also got a free hard inquiry removal package that you can go there and download, and you can send out those letters to remove hard inquiries. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.